In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to streamline your bookkeeping process, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the simple process of adding accounts. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings. That's located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. Look for the gear icon, which is the gateway to your settings and customization options. Give that a click, and a menu will drop down. From this menu, you'll select Chart of Accounts. This area is essentially the backbone of your financial organization within QuickBooks, where you can view and manage all your accounts. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look for the New button. This is where you'll initiate the process of setting up a new account. Click on New, and a form will appear, ready for you to input the details of your new account. Now it's time to enter an account name. This is an important step because a clear, descriptive name helps you and anyone else using the system to easily identify the account. Along with the account name, you also have the option to enter an account number. While this is not mandatory, having an account number can be very useful for tracking and reporting purposes, especially if you're dealing with a large number of accounts. As you continue, you'll need to choose the type of account type. This is a critical component of setting up your accounts because it determines the general category your account will fall under, such as income, expense, asset, or liability. Selecting the correct account type is essential for accurate financial reporting. Next, you'll need to select the detail type. This adds another layer of specificity to your account. For instance, if you've chosen an asset as your account type, your detail type might specify if it's a current asset or a fixed asset. The detail type helps provide a clearer picture of your financial situation, giving you and your accountant precise insights. Depending on the account type and detail type you have selected, you might need to fill in some additional information. This can include details like the starting balance, bank information, or additional notes relevant to the account. Be thorough as you fill in this information because it ensures that your books are both detailed and accurate. Once you've completed all these fields, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. Your new account has been successfully added to your chart of accounts. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can efficiently organize your financial data, keeping your QuickBooks Online account up to date and accurate. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope